Hi, Matt Brulette over at MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the 19 SPX Outboard from Sea Ray. Sea Ray's been around the block for a long time. This size boat range is kind of like, their specialty. They do a great job at, making enough storage for a quick day on the water or a long day on the water. So let's get to it. So this is the bow. 2 speakers, Fusion right here. If you were to, maybe go to the sandbar or even do a touch and go at the dock, they do it nice. You can just move that cushion right here, get it on and off, nice and easy. Put it right back there. You also have the option for a bow filler cushion. This is usually a pretty popular spot. And then as we make it back here into the cockpit, you do have the infinity woven flooring. You could just do, just straight fiberglass or the sea deck. You can see the sea deck right here. It goes all the way back to the swim platform. Both materials feel great on your feet. Right here, you do get a decent amount of storage, like I said. They use every voided space perfectly. At the helm station, you got the steering wheel. You got a bolster seat right here for the captain. Go right back up there. This does adjust forward and back. The Fusion radio controls is right here, pretty easy. A couple of the switches go here. Gauges, RPM, speed, fuel, your trim levels. A lot of seating. It's comfortable, a lot of space. Right here, you can flip that forward or back. You could face the rear or forward underway. Another cool thing is this being an outboard, you just gain so much space back here. Like I said, avoided space, they use it well. You got a hatch over here and a hatch over here. Fenders, lines, life jackets, towable tubes. A lot of opportunity to put anything you want. This comes with the 150 Mercury on the back. And like I said, that sea deck, really nice on your feet. Ski tow bar right there. You got the telescoping swim ladder that you can jump aboard on. Depth gauge also at the helm station. It's nice. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat similar to this in my inventory, please feel free to give me a call. 603-320-5524. Matt Brulette with MarineMax Danvers.